Quick Start Guide Smart Home Controller with GFA5-App. Today's video is about our new smart home controllers, MiniSafe2 and the GFA5-App, which are the successors of MiniSafe and GFA4-App. The GFA5-App is used to control our professional smart home products and is available free of charge in the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Even more consistent than its predecessor, the GFA4-App offers easy and comfortable operation. With its help, the connected products can be controlled and personalized regardless of location. In addition to the comfortable user interface and the constantly growing compatibility with other manufacturers, the app shines with a complete data backup through controllers and app backups and saving account configuration. The GFA5-App is always kept up to date with regular updates to guarantee the best possible use at all times. The MiniSafe2 is controlled locally and therefore does not require internet access. However, this is important if you want to make use of remote access or the cloud connection. Via an ocean radio, information is exchanged with the connected devices to receive sensor data and commands and to trigger the desired actions. The scope of delivery includes the MiniSafe2 and the matching power supply unit. To connect the controller, it must be connected to a 230 volt socket with the power supply unit, and the free GFA5 app must be downloaded from the App Store on the smartphone. For the next steps, you can now follow the instructions in the app to set up the controller. To register in the app, an email address must be entered so that a personal access code is generated. Afterwards, the controller is ready to connect devices in connection with the GFA5 app. We show the teach-in process here using the example of the FSR142X switch actuator. In the first step, the Rooms button is selected and a new room is named Room, in this example the living room, and an icon is created. The room is then saved. To teach a device, select the plus sign under Devices and then select the desired room in which a device is to be added. Now you can select the corresponding device type, for example switch light, shading, heating, window or push button. In the current process, the device type switch and the manufacturer Eltako are selected. Now the Series 14 and the device FSR142X are selected in the category switch. The teach-in process then starts. The GFA5 app now provides clear instructions for the teach-in process, what has to be done and in which order. Before the process starts, make sure that a device address has already been assigned for all bus receivers of the Series 14. Once this step has been completed, press continue and set the upper rotary switch to 0, the lower rotary switch to the channel to be taught, and the middle rotary switch to LRN. The rotary switches now start to flash. You have to press continue, and the rotary switches will stop flashing. Now set the middle rotary switch to Auto 1, the lower rotary switch to Auto, and then press continue again. The unit has been successfully taught into the GFA5 app and can be operated. To test the unit, it can now be triggered. The unit status is displayed under the trigger button. The unit must then be saved. Here there is the option to name the device. In our example, Eltako Lite. Our new smart home controller was developed to link the professional smart home products from Eltako and also those from other manufacturers. The MiniSafe2 thus enables central control of the smart home. You don't have to be a smart home professional to be able to operate both the app and the MiniSafe2. Everything has been done to keep the structure of the GFA5 app simple, so that it is very easy to find your way around and exploit the full potential of our products. The app and controller can be the entry point to the professional smart home or the extension of the existing one.